Snoring. Is it always a bad sign?
Many believe that snoring means you're not getting enough rest or your sleep isn't refreshing. Let's break down what science actually says about snoring and its impact on your overall sleep quality.
What causes snoring?
Snoring happens when air can't move freely through your nose and throat during sleep, causing the surrounding tissues to vibrate. Factors like nasal congestion, sleep position, being overweight, or consuming alcohol can all cause snoring. While common, these causes do not always mean you are sleeping poorly or have a health issue.
Is snoring a sign of poor sleep?
Not all snoring means poor sleep quality. For many people, especially when occasional, snoring doesn't disrupt deep sleep stages. However, if snoring is loud, frequent, and paired with gasping or pauses in breathing, it could disturb your sleep and reduce its restorative effects. The key is how the snoring affects your rest and daily well-being.
When snoring signals trouble.
Persistent, loud snoring can sometimes signal a serious condition called sleep apnea. With sleep apnea, breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, reducing oxygen levels and interrupting deep rest. Warning signs include excessive daytime fatigue, morning headaches, and waking up gasping or choking. In these cases, snoring is a genuine health concern and should be checked by a doctor.
When to seek help and what you can do.
If snoring is occasional and doesn't affect how you feel, it's usually harmless. Try sleeping on your side, avoiding alcohol before bed, or addressing nasal congestion. However, if you or a loved one experience loud, nightly snoring and daytime tiredness, see a healthcare provider. Understanding the cause is the first step toward better sleep and health.